What's up everybody, welcome back to Cocktail Cards. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a chocolate martini. So there are probably a lot of different versions of this drink out there. However, this is one of my favorites. This is how I've served mine in bars for a very long time. So I think you'll enjoy it. It's all ingredients that are pretty easy to get as well. So in order to make this drink, first thing we're gonna need is vodka. Go ahead and choose your favorite vodka. We're gonna be using Tito's today. Next, we're gonna have a coffee liqueur. Now I'm gonna go with Kahlua for this one. It's very popular, it's very good. You can find that almost anywhere. And we're also gonna add Baileys to this. So you have a nice creamy, boozy flavor going along with it as well. And then we're also gonna have a Creme De Cacao, and that's gonna be a chocolate liqueur since we are making a chocolate martini. Next, we're also gonna have some heavy whipping cream just to add a little viscous to make the drink a little bit thicker. We're also gonna have some chocolate syrup that we're gonna use as a garnish, and also have some baker's chocolate that we're gonna shave on at the end as well. All right, so we're just gonna build this drink out in our pint glass, and the very first thing we're gonna do is add 1 ounce of our vodka. And next, we're gonna add 3/4 of an ounce of our coffee liqueur. Now we'll add 3/4 of an ounce of our Creme De Cacao. Go ahead and add 3/4 of an ounce of Bailey's Irish Cream. Lastly, we're gonna add 1/2 an ounce of our heavy whipping cream. Next, we're gonna fill our pint glass with ice and give this a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds. And actually I like to give this drink a little bit extra of a shake, just help make the drink a little bit creamy, frothier, and it makes it easy to put a little chocolate on top as well. All right, now before we pour this into the glass, we'll let this kind of settle, get a little bit thicker, a little creamier, and we're just gonna go ahead and add some chocolate to our glass. Now, what I like to do is just kind of draw rings all the way up the glass. Gives it a nice, cool little effect in the glass here. And if you don't have a squeeze bottle, you can use the end of a spoon or anything to give you a little bit more control. You don't want to put too much chocolate in here because it'll just run down the glass and it won't look as good. So you kind of want to have nice and controlled and just run around and make this nice little cone sphere shape in the glass here. And once you're all done adding the chocolate, let's go ahead and double strain our drink into the martini glass. Go ahead and let that settle for just a little bit. And once it's ready, we're actually gonna add a little bit more chocolate on top. So you can draw little designs, you can do whatever you want. I'm just gonna do little stripes on the top here. Go ahead and grab your microplaner and let's go ahead and shave a little bit of chocolate on top as well. And there you have it, the chocolate martini. I mean, what can you say? It tastes like a chocolate cake. Very delicious, sweet, desserty drink. You do get the little bitter flavors coming out from the coffee liqueur. Of course, you get a lot of chocolate in this. The Baileys gives it that nice creaminess, and then the heavy whipping cream just kind of gives it a better consistency, right? Like this drink is not quite what you would want to be really watered down sort of consistency. So having that heavy cream in there just gives it a nice, thick, frothy mouthfeel, which is awesome. I mean, this is the perfect end cap. Everything we added here, except for the heavy whipping cream, is alcohol, so it's a pretty strong drink as well. And yeah, just delicious. You serve this to anyone, they're happy. The Chocolate Martini. Hey, if you guys enjoyed the Chocolate Martini, make sure you give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. We'll be coming out with over 100 different recipes on this channel. So hit subscribe, hit that bell notification so you'll be alerted anytime we come out with anything new on the channel. And until then, I'm AJ with Cocktail Cards. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.